Have you seen an easier way than this to make money online? We're not selling anything, and the method does not require experience, only 3 steps. You can earn more than $2,000 every single day. The first step, 1 click onto write files and copy this link. Second step, paste your link in and click on to add a website. Third step, add your payment method, whether Payoneer or PayPal, in order to get the money. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my channel, we talk all methods that help you to make money online. So if you're looking for videos on how to make money from the comfort of your home, you're onto the right channel. Are you ready to learn how to make big money online of Google Translate? I'm talking about earning up to $2,100 every single day, even if you're a complete beginner without prior experience. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make upwards of 22 every 15 minutes simply by using Google Translate, and you may have already heard of Google Translate before. We all know Google Translate as a useful tool for translating text from one language to another. But did you know that it can also be a powerful asset for making money online? That's right, we'll show you how to leverage Google Translate to your advantage. What I'll be reviewing today is a lot different to those other Google Translate methods that people are using to make money. This is not one of those blog post creation methods. This is not one of those copywriting or transcription methods. This is a unique method that's been working extremely well for me. And you're going to see that with this method, you'll be able to make more than $2,000 every single day. Now I will show you the specific steps you can follow so that you too can start making money this way using Google Translate. This method is 100% free. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Only you have to have a PayPal account to get paid. Before I show you the exact steps, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of make money online. Step 1. The CPAGrip website, the gateway to profit. The first step, you want to head over to a website called CPAGrip.com. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about CPAGrip. CPAGrip is a popular affiliate marketing network that offers a wide range of offers and campaigns for publishers to promote. It's a great platform for beginners to this website since it's one of the easiest ways that we're able to make money online. And the way that it works is all that you need to do is to share a link to an offer. And we're able to get that link from inside this website. And anytime that anybody clicks onto that link and performs a very simple action, such as entering their email address, entering their first name, and you will get paid a commission. Don't worry about link promotion. I'm going to show you a website where we can promote this link via an ad for free that guarantees us over 1,000 people to click onto our link every 3 days. Now you want to do is click onto register button. Fill in some simple details and click on to register now. After finishing the registration, log into your account. The first thing that you'll notice, you'll be taken to this dashboard. And what you can see is this public chat board over here, and you can see all of these different CPAGrip users posting the amount of money that they've made on the CPAGrip website. So here, for example, somebody's made over $52,000 of all time. Someone who's made over $200,000 on CPAGrip. And if we scroll up, you can see another person that has made over $189,000 on CPAGrip. This platform is really powerful and effective way to make some really good money. And I know personally of a lot of people who are making some really good money. Now I'm going to show you how we can select an offer that we're going to be able to promote. Firstly, click onto Offer Tools, and then My Offers, so that you're able to get an offer that you can promote and start earning some really good commissions. So if I click onto My Offers, what you're able to see here is a bunch of these different offers that we're able to promote. And I'm currently based in the United States. You see a country displayed over here, and all the corresponding offers for your country. You can also promote filter by these European countries such as France, Italy, Germany, and Spain, since they typically tend to pay out much higher payouts per action that is performed for the offers that we'll be promoting. You can choose the most suitable for you. Now you want to simply sort by the payout over here and sort to the highest payout. Now here, for example, we can see if we promote this offer, you will get paid $10.22 anytime if we share this link and somebody clicks onto this link and enters their email address or entering their first name. You may be thinking, $10.22, it's pretty low. But if we do get, around 100 people, let's say to click onto this link and enter their email address, which we can do with the method that I'll be showing you. This means that you will get about $1,000. It's okay, it's not too bad, it's pretty. If you are still watching this video, guys, you have to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Because right now I'm going to show you how we can use Google Translate to then post that link onto a website that guarantees traffic of over 1,000 potential people that will click onto our link and complete that action so that we'll be able to earn some really high CPA marketing commissions. So in order to filter by country, maximize the amount of money that we're going to get paid for every single time that someone performs an action by clicking onto our link for the offer that we'll be promoting. We want to filter by these European countries, which they typically tend to pay out much higher payouts per action that is performed for the offers that we'll be promoting. For example, let's take a look at the different payout ratios that these France offers are paying. And guys, do not worry if you don't understand what any of this means. I don't speak French. You don't need to either. But what you want to do, guys, is you simply want to copy over some of this text. Over here, you then want to click on to copy, head back over to Google Translate. Make sure that you've got French selected here and English selected over here. And you want to paste in this text just like that. And here you can see. And the first thing that you want to do, guys, you want to go back over to your offer and copy this link. But before you do that, you want to select this tracking domain drop down over here. And you just want to click onto tundrafile.com. Once you've clicked on this 100 file, you want to copy this link over here, and I'm going to put it somewhere safe. Step 2. Promoting the link. Now I'm going to show you a website where we can promote this link via an ad for free that guarantees us over 1,000 people to click onto our link every 3 days. And the name of that website, guys, is trafficbar.com. And you can see right here, it delivers up to 1,022 visitors to your website or to the link that we'll be sharing on this website every 3 days. And if you imagine if 1,000 people are clicking onto our link every 3 days and only 10 of those visitors to our link actually perform the action, which is to enter their mobile number, it means that you will get paid about $100. So you need to get signed up to TrafficBar. All that you need to do is click onto the sign up button. Over here, enter some simple details. Your first name, your email address. Then click first name, your email address. Then click on to join, and then, but you also end up the TrafficBar, you will then be taken to a page like this. It's going to say finish setting up. So you literally just want to click onto, don't worry about this first step. For now, just click any one of these times. I'm going to click 20 o'clock, for example. You then want to click onto save, and here is where we're going to add our affiliate link or the link that we generated from CPA. 3. Click on the Payment Center. Then go to the payment method. Choose PayPal. Then write our PayPal account so that we can get the payments. If you've got value from this video, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification. If you have questions, do what to ask in the comment section, and I will be there to respond to your questions. See you in my next video.